Class 10. In this video we will discuss one chapter, Nelson Mandela. Then Nelson Mandela is a prose piece in class 10, First Flight. In class 10 the name of the book is First Flight and chapter's name is Nelson Mandela. Where has this prose piece been taken from? This prose piece has been taken from the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, entitled Long Walk to Freedom. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, and from that book it has been taken. Nelson Mandela, the chapter has been taken from the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, entitled as Long Walk to Freedom. Then what is an autobiography? The life history of a person written by himself is called an autobiography. It means Nelson Mandela wrote Long Walk to Freedom. Who became the first black president of South Africa? Nelson Mandela became the first black president of South Africa. The politicians and dignitaries of how many countries participated in the inauguration ceremony of South African non-racial government? Then the politicians and dignitaries of more than 140 countries participated in the inauguration ceremony of non-racial democratic government of South Africa. Next is how long did South Africa remain under the white power? Then South Africa remained under slavery for a period of more than 3 centuries. 300 साल तक था. And when did South Africa got freedom? South Africa got freedom in 1994. Name the political party to which name the political party which brought freedom to South Africa. The political party was African National Congress. Our political party, Indian National Congress, brought freedom to India in 1947. Sorry. And the African National Congress, the political party of South Africa, brought freedom for South Africa in 1994. When? Next question. When did the inauguration ceremony take place and where? The inauguration ceremony took place in the sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria, and it took place on 10th May 1994. Then why 10th May 1990? 10th May is the day, autumn day. How it is autumn day in South Africa? 10th May is an autumn day. How it is so in South Africa? Then it is a geography question. The whole globe has been divided into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and South Africa falls in southern hemisphere. In the month of May it is autumn there, because the sun remains in northern hemisphere, therefore we have summer, and South Africa has autumn season. Then therefore 10th May is an autumn day. अब ऑटोबायोग्राफी क्या है? ये हो गया. एपार्थेड सिस्टम. What is apartheid system? It is a political system in which discrimination between man and man is made on the basis of the color of the body and on the basis of race. Racial discrimination is made among the people. It is also based on the color of the body. South African people are generally black because South Africa falls in equatorial region, and equatorial region is very hot. In hot regions people are black. तो ये ऐसा है. Who was Jenani? Page number 17, last paragraph. Jenani was the name of the daughter of Nelson Mandela, who were on the podium for to be sworn in as president, deputy president. Then obviously Nelson Mandela was on the podium to be sworn in as the president of South Africa. Then de Klerk was also there on the podium to be sworn in as the second deputy president of South Africa. And then one more person, Thabo Mbeki was there also on the podium to be sworn in as the first deputy president of South Africa. Then दिस वे हम पहला जो पेज, पहला और दूसरा पेज जो चैप्टर का है उससे जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हो सकता है उस पर ये वीडियो बनाया, आप इसको सुनिए। फिर दूसरे और तीसरे अगले पेज पर भी बनेगा, ये पेज नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग टू बना रहे हैं, वीडियो छोटा हो, आपको समझने में दिक्कत नहीं हो और हमें भी दिक्कत नहीं हो। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस टाइम।